If you listen closely, you could hear all the birds chirping. There's so many things in life that we forget to appreciate. The more little things we appreciate in life, the more full our lives are. Listen to the beautiful sound of chirping birds at 6 o'clock in the morning. You gotta love it. Appreciate everything in your life. Appreciate the air, the trees, the leaves, the birds, the wind, the rain, the sun, the air you breathe. Appreciate every single day that you are, every single day that you are above ground is a true blessing.